Today I'd like to roll my traveler's notebook. This one that you can see right here. I've done it with other notebooks already. For example, my video where I tried to clean and condition one of my traveler's notebooks. If you haven't seen that video, I put a link in the description box. Take a look. But I feel like you never know how the traveler's notebook turns out. It's always a surprise. So I'm very curious how this one looks after rolling. But first of all, let's talk about the reasons why people even roll their traveler's notebook. If you already know that, please skip to this timestamp. What is rolling? Rolling is literally rolling your leather. And why? It's just natural that the leather gets softer and floppier with time and usage. My accent. I'm laughing at my own accent, but anyway, it's just the way it is. But you can speed things up when you roll the leather, so it gets floppier. What rolling also does is it gives the leather more texture, but it depends on how you roll it. For example, if you roll it like this, the texture of this side won't really change, but if you roll it like this, there you will see more texture and wrinkles and these things. But not every leather is the same, so you can't, in my opinion, you can't really expect how rolling affects the leather really well. Maybe experts can, but I'm always very surprised when I roll a leather. Some pieces won't have any wrinkles, other pieces have huge wrinkles, other pieces have small wrinkles, so it really depends. Each leather is different, like people. Since the Outlander is already very floppy, I decided to roll it because I'm hoping for it to change the color. People had different experiences on rolling the Time Traveler, so I don't know what to expect. I really hope that rolling it will lead to a lighter color. In the inside, it's such a beautiful blue, and on the outside, it's also beautiful, but I would love to have a lighter blue. So these are the 3 most common reasons why people roll their traveler's notebook. And let's start. Okay, yes. I'm still recording, yes. Okay, so let's remove all the inserts. I just turned on the light in case you're confused what's happening. This is before. And as you can see, it already has a few wrinkles and a little bit texture because I'm using it for a few months now. So let's start rolling it. I want it to be rather smooth, so I'm going to roll it inwards. And oh my god, it's so stiff. Okay, so let's do it. Okay. Triple checking if I'm actually recording. Okay. No, let's start at the back. It feels like a couch. By the way, if you're curious, you can roll it in each direction, in whatever you like. So when you look closely, you can see that it already has a little bit of color variation. I should watch TV while doing this. It feels like it's so time consuming. Where's the sun? The sun is already gone. A comparison. Rolled, unrolled. Am I happy? Yeah, I am. Okay, let's go to the front. Here you can see the texture that happens when you roll it inwards. think it's a little bit lighter, a little bit. At the beginning, the wrinkles were only here because of this area. So now they're here too, which makes it more even. I like this look. This is what happens when you roll your time traveler, in case you're curious. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. I make videos on everything: traveler's notebooks, stationery, journaling. These are my topics. And yeah, so I hope I'll see you next time. Bye! And also, I'm on Instagram. I think this is the moment to plug my Instagram. I'm on Instagram.